Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In today's video we're going to be looking at how to transfer Discord server ownership. Let's say you want to transfer the ownership of your Discord server. How do you do it? The first thing to do is to access the server settings by clicking the server icon in your server list. Then click the server name at the top left corner and then select server settings from the drop down menu. Once you've done this, you are going to go to the members tab. Now in the server settings menu, click on the members tab. Remember, you've clicked on the server icon in your server list, you've clicked the server name at the top left corner, and you've selected server settings from the drop down menu. From there, you click on the members tab. After doing that, you're going to locate the user you want to transfer ownership to in the list of members. Hover your mouse over the user's name. Click the three dots that appear. Select transfer ownership from the drop down menu. And then you'll be presented with a warning message. Carefully read the message and click transfer ownership again to confirm. It's as simple as that, but note that it is irreversible. Once you transfer ownership, you will no longer be the server owner, and the new owner will have full control over the server, including managing members, rules, settings, and integrations. So before transferring ownership, ensure you trust the new owner and have communicated all necessary information to them. Again, before transferring ownership, ensure you trust the new owner and you have communicated all necessary information to them. By following these steps, you can successfully transfer ownership of your Discord server to another member. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.